Welcome back to Savor Smart. Today, we're diving into what makes a balanced diet your body's best friend. Eating right is like giving your body a high five every day. Nutritious foods fuel your entire system, giving you energy and keeping you healthy. Enjoy a variety of delicious foods that make you feel amazing. Each vibrant color on your plate represents different nutrients your body needs. It's about balance and moderation, not deprivation. Enjoy your favorite foods in a way that supports your well-being. Think of it as fueling up your body like a superhero. Your body needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Eating a balanced diet helps your body grow, repair itself, and fight off bugs. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to build, maintain, and protect itself. Macronutrients are the building blocks of a healthy diet. They include proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, each playing a vital role in our health. They provide energy to jump, run, and play. Macronutrients are the fuel that keeps you active and energized. Think of them as the fuel that keeps your engine running. Without them, you'd feel sluggish and tired. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues. They are the building blocks of muscles, skin, and other tissues. Without enough protein, your body wouldn't be able to heal properly or maintain its strength. Think lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils. They're packed with protein power. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. They break down into glucose, which fuels your brain and muscles. They give you that boost to kickstart your day and keep you going. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for sustained energy. They're full of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fats are essential for a balanced diet. They provide energy, support cell growth, and protect your organs. Healthy fats help your body absorb vitamins, keep your brain sharp, and your skin glowing. Think avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. They're all good fats your body will love. Micronutrients are like the vitamins and minerals that work behind the scenes to keep your body running smoothly. Don't let their size fool you. These guys are mighty important. Vitamins like vitamin C in oranges and vitamin A in carrots boost your immune system and keep your eyes healthy. Minerals like iron in spinach and calcium in milk build strong bones and keep your blood pumping. Think of fruits and vegetables as nature's multivitamins. They're bursting with essential vitamins and minerals that keep you feeling your best. Section 4. Portion control. Everything in moderation. Portion control is like finding the perfect balance in all things food. It's about listening to your body and eating just enough to feel satisfied, not overly stuffed. Think of your plate as a pie chart. Half of it should be filled with colorful vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with healthy carbohydrates. And remember, it's okay to have treats every now and then. Just enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Section 5. Spice up your plate with variety. Eating a variety of foods is like adding a burst of flavor to your life. It ensures you're getting all the nutrients your body needs while keeping your taste buds happy. Don't be afraid to try new things. Explore different cuisines, experiment with new recipes, and make mealtimes an adventure. The more colorful your plate, the more diverse the nutrients. Think of it this way. Each color of the rainbow represents a different set of vitamins and minerals, so aim for a rainbow on your plate every day. Section 6. Hydration, your body's best drink. Water is your body's best friend. It keeps you hydrated, helps your cells function properly, and flushes out toxins. Think of it as a refreshing internal shower. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You can also get fluids from other sources like fruits and vegetables. Watermelon, cucumber, and spinach are all naturally hydrating. Section 7. Smart choices for a healthy you. Making smart choices about food starts with understanding what you're putting into your body. Read food labels for key information like calories, sugar, and serving size. Choose whole foods over processed options for more nutrients. Cooking at home lets you control ingredients and portion sizes. Small changes, like adding fruit to breakfast, make a big difference. Swap sugary drinks for water and choose baked over fried foods. Add extra vegetables to your plate for more nutrients. Eating a balanced diet is about making consistent, sustainable choices. When you eat well, you feel well, and that energy translates into every aspect of your life. Subscribe to Savor Smart for more tips on living a healthy, balanced life.